Hey there, fellow truth seekers and curious minds. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been shrouded in mystery for far too long, the intricate world of finance and money. It's a subject Henry Ford once famously said, we should all understand, and it's the very fabric of our lives. I've spent the last 4 years exploring this complex realm, and today I'm sharing some eye-opening revelations that will forever change how you see money. This isn't your average video, but it's essential to comprehend the bigger picture, especially if you're keen on understanding the rise of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So buckle up, because we're about to uncover who truly controls all of our money.
You are watching Business Story.
To kick things off, let's journey back to 1694, when England, weary from half a century of wars, sought a solution to fund its political ambitions. The answer? The world's very first modern central banking system, a privately owned entity with the power to create money out of thin air. Over the centuries, this revolutionary concept spread worldwide, consolidating economic power and shaping the financial landscape we navigate today. It's crucial to understand that central banks aren't mere economic institutions. They wield unparalleled influence over our societies. Fast forward to 1971, when the United States unshackled the dollar from the gold standard, ushering in the era of fiat currency. This shift meant our money was no longer tied to tangible assets like gold. It relied solely on trust in our government. This transition marked a pivotal moment where trust in institutions became the cornerstone of our monetary system. Now let's unveil the enigma of money creation. When the government needs funds, it turns to the Treasury. The Treasury issues an IOU, which lands at the central bank's doorstep. Astonishingly, the central bank creates money out of thin air, infusing our economic bloodstream with newly minted currency. But here's the kicker. Commercial banks also possess the power of fractional reserve lending, allowing them to lend more money than they have in reserves. This system has profound implications for our financial stability. Money creation is a complex ballet involving governments, central banks, and commercial banks. Understanding it is vital to demystifying our financial system. Money created by banks is, in reality, it's a debt. Yes, you heard that right. Debt underpins this system, and the more debt we amass, the more money courses through our economic veins. It's a debt-based monetary system with far-reaching consequences for us all. This intricate dance between money and debt has profound implications for our financial stability and economic well-being. Central banks wield extraordinary influence over our economies. They can manipulate interest rates and money supply, capable of triggering economic booms and busts. For instance, the Federal Reserve's actions significantly impacted the global financial crisis of 2008. The world of finance resembles a grand chessboard, with central banks making strategic moves that ripple across markets, affecting our investments, savings, and livelihoods. History attests to the profound impact of central banking decisions on revolutions and conflicts worldwide. Money often takes center stage in these pivotal events, highlighting the significance of understanding our monetary system. The annals of history reveal how economic disparities and monetary policies have fueled social and political upheavals. So, what's on the horizon? Advocates propose government-controlled money issuance aimed at benefiting the people. Simultaneously, a global movement explores alternatives like gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. The future of finance is evolving, and staying informed is crucial to actively engage in shaping our financial destiny. These innovative alternatives challenge the status quo, offering new possibilities for financial autonomy and stability. If this topic has sparked your curiosity and you're eager to delve even deeper, I wholeheartedly encourage you to explore further. In conclusion, our monetary system is a labyrinthine network of central and commercial banking, debt-based money creation, and economic manipulation. The more comprehensively we understand it, the better equipped we are to navigate the intricate terrain of finance. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Money isn't just currency, it's a dynamic force that shapes our existence. Stay curious and continue uncovering the concealed truths of our financial realm. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into the enigmatic world of finance and money. If you've enjoyed this eye-opening journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the more you know, the better you can navigate the financial landscape. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and take control of your financial destiny.